Yeah, to avoid long story, let me shorten the tutorial of how you can use UTrading to trade at least $1 to $2 from your capital using the robot. So, in short, what you need to do is decide which coin you want to trade. I'm trading Bitcoin Cash because I believe the analysis that it's going to pump at any time and it's on the deep side. So I choose it. So when I choose it, practically, I love to use DCA among the other bots. I choose DCA Fusion. So after that, you can see that my Bitcoin Cash is here. What next is I change the auto to long. So after changing it to long, I choose my leverage. I choose maximum leverage for easy calculation. So after choosing maximum leverage, I choose just single trade, not circle. Then I reduce my order to one. I reduce it to one. Where I can put it at two also. I reduce it to one. Then then let me now calculate how I can use my leverage. $2 out of my capital. So what I do is I multiply this I divide this my leverage rather. I divide this by discounts. Discount here. I divide it by discounts and I multiply it by initial position. So when I divide my leverage, which is 75, by my count, which is 23, I gain 3.2. Then that 3.2, I multiply it by my initial position. This is my initial position. This is my initial position, 88. I multiply it by 88. So this is 286 because it means I'm using $1. That is the meaning. 286. But if I want to use $2, I multiply this result. I multiply this result by 2. So I'm going to use 573 to the nearest whole number. I just had one because here is more than 5. Dot 9 is more than dot 5. So I add 1 to it. It makes it 573. So that 573, that 573 becomes 574 because to the nearest whole number. So I edit this place. I put 574. So this 574 simply means I'm trading with $2. How am I sure that I'm trading with $2? I divide my count now, not I divide my count now by my leverage, which is 153 divided by 75. 153 divided by 75. You can see. So I'm trading with just $2. $2. So I'm trading with $2. So after that, the next thing I do is I launch. The next thing I do here is what? I click on launch. So after launching it, I check my Binance. If after launching it, I just click on launch. So after clicking on launch, I check my Binance. If uh, if it has launched, don't forget uh, I want to trade with just $2. So I go to my Binance. So on getting to my Binance, you can see I'm just trading with $2. You can see I'm just trading with $2, and because because my analysis is very correct, you can see it already has profits. It already has profits because my analysis is correct, because I'm very sure about this coin. So that is it. That is how to set your this margin USDT is the real amount you are trading with. This USD size is what Binance borrow you. This is your real money. I'm just trading with $2. So that is how to go about the setting. Good luck. If you have any question, you can ask. You can also share, subscribe, like this YouTube channel.